my butt! I got mud on my butt. I look like I shot myself.
I don't think it's mud. What's up, guys? I'm Brian. This is gonna be the first video on my new YouTube channel. Here with my model Holly again. Hi. Yeah, so today we're gonna do a photo shoot. I got my Sony a7 IV with my 35G master and PolarPro's everyday filter, also by Shortstache. I always like to set my white balance to 5600 Kelvin. I don't know, that's just what I prefer. My camera most of the time stays there unless I got really adjust. Alright. I'm just getting everything situated here. The sun is sunning. Alright, the sun's sunning. Oh. Just put it in my pocket with everything else. I don't know. Right there looks good. Holy crap, the sun's really sunning. I gotta bump this down. Put that up. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Just get a couple practice shots here. Yep, alright. Oh, there goes the sun. The sun is not cooperating today. Hey, put the hand, other one. Hand on the hip, be a little sassy, yeah. And here comes the sun again, of course. Okay, keep that pose till this truck goes. Awesome, I'm gonna get.
You're about to fall on my eye.
Oh, yeah, fix that strand. Hang on.
I can't see my hair.
Alright, now. Let's try that again. The sun is sunning. Alright. There we go. That looks awesome. I'm gonna get a really wide one. Kind of want some of this pole in it because I think it looks pretty cool. The wind is winding. Give me, okay, 1, 2, 3. Too close. Just flow with it. Yeah, let it flow. Let it flow. And that sun went bye-byes. It's alright. We'll mess with it. Wait for that car to go by. Do like mess with your hair.
I could go on.
What?
Could do something like this, but yeah. My hair would.
Okay, look back here.
I know, I'm trying to.
Ah, come on, car.
The way they cut up in the way.
Wowee. Let's just go up to the tree. Oh, my camera's really far away. Yeah. All right, now, kind of like. Now I gotta crank this down. Oh, son, why are you going away? The sun's getting ready to come out. Maybe have this hand like, yeah. Okay, get ready. Come on, son. All right, get ready. Okay, let's get that cargo away. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Look back that way. Oh, that looks great. It's all right. You got it? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Keep looking that way. Okay. I don't know what your hair's doing. Can you push the hair back off to the side? All right, turn back around. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. I'm coming back up for a closey. All right, do the same thing. Hurry, same thing. Oh no. It's all right. Still looks good. Now, what if you sit in the grass, kind of like this? Yeah, something like that. Put your arm up on top. Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, this is beautiful, Holly. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Want to back up a little bit more. Look behind you. I'm gonna get a close up. You want to hang off the light pole? Kind of like, whoop. Your butt's a little wet.
My butt.
It's okay.
I got mud on my butt. Look like I shat myself.
I don't think it's mud.
Stop.
No, I'm saying I don't think it's mud. I think it's just wet. Light pole. Poop pants.
How did I do the other one? Did I like, no, I didn't lean back. I was like.
Yeah, put the other knee. You don't have to be up that high. Just right there. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Look back that way. There it is. It's about time it showed up. Hi, my name's Brian. Nice to meet you, son. Alright. Sit and like go inside there a little bit. Yep.
The wind would stop winding.
Yep, do that with that.
Back?
Yeah. I'm gonna come up a little bit. There we go. Do both hands. Keep holding it. Just getting different angles. Now twist and turn. Yep. Look past, yeah. Flare that elbow a little bit. There, yep. Okay, hold up. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that wraps up today's shoot. Between sun and wind, I think we got some pretty good photos. Comment down below what your favorite photo was or something. I don't know. Just go ahead and leave something in the comments. If they were total trash or if they're decent. Either way, let me know. It'd be cool to hear some feedback, you know, or if I should just quit photography, whatever. Thank you, Holly.
Thank you, Brian. Pleasure doing business with you.
Yep. Thanks for watching.